In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update trusted contacts on Facebook. So stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Previously, Facebook had an option to update trusted contacts on its platform, but however now that has been completely removed. Facebook has removed this feature where you can rely on trusted contacts to get your Facebook account back if you ever forgot your password. If you open up the help center of Facebook and search for trusted contacts, and tap on contact the friends that you've chosen, you can see the trusted contacts is no longer supported, which means the friends that you've chosen will no longer be able to help you get back your Facebook. So in this case, the way that you can protect your account is to add in your email address and your phone number, just in case you forget your password. Make sure you enter in your correct email and also include a phone number so that you can reset your password just in case you forget it. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.